Ever struggled to get the perfect answer from a chatbot? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that turns your questions into gold? Introducing Prompt Perfect, the game-changing plugin for ChatGPT Plus. Prompt Perfect transforms it into a masterpiece that ChatGPT can't resist answering brilliantly. And the best part? You don't have to be a ChatGPT guru to make magic happen. Stick around and we'll reveal how you can elevate your chatbot game to the next level. Next, I will guide you through 3 steps to proficiently use the Prompt Perfect plugin. There's a secret which I love at the end of the video. 4 tips for you to completely master ChatGPT. Step 1. Configure your ChatGPT account and install plugin. Log into your account and go to Settings NP Beta and Future Beta and enable the plugin feature. Then, select New Chat and choose GPT-4 and choose Plugin. Next, click on the arrow button and scroll down to the bottom and select Plugin Store. Go search for Prompts Perfect and out. Install. After installing the Prompt Perfect plugin, you need to check the box next to this plugin to use it. Step 2. Writing prompts. When you write a prompt, start with the word perfect. The plugin will activate and optimize your prompt to make it more understandable and logical, so ChatGPT can provide the best answers. Example: perfect, create an article for me as a script for a short video under 1 minute on YouTube on the topic of who can replace which human occupations. Start with a viral hook, and the first paragraph of the article should summarize the content of the whole article and create curiosity for the viewer. 4 tips for you to completely master ChatGPT. With the Prompt Perfect plugin, you can use ChatGPT like an expert without spending too much time learning. However, if you want to use it more deeply and explore the full power of ChatGPT Plus, here are some tips for writing prompts. Write very detailed prompts. You can specify the style in which you want ChatGPT to write: humorous, sarcastic, cautious, open, etc. You can request ChatGPT to write from the perspective of a specific subject. For example, here I can ask ChatGPT to write the prompt from the perspective of a longtime content creator on YouTube. You should also set the objective of the article for ChatGPT to understand better. In this case, I can set the objective of the article to create curiosity and a viral effect. You can also specify the format for your article, such as an essay, outline, dialogue, or YouTube script. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to help us stay motivated to create more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to respond. Thank you for watching the entire video.